What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Tradelocker. Tradelocker is a newer trading platform designed as a modern alternative to MetaTrader 5 or 4, with a focus on clean UI, trading view charts, and fast execution. It has a good interface and beginner-friendly tools, but mixed reputation and reliability concerns. Let's see why. You get a very modern interface, clean, smooth, easy to use, feels similar to TradingView, and many users praise the UI as top-notch and intuitive. Also, position sizing calculator, easy stop-loss, take-profit setup, and helps beginners manage risks better. Advanced charting tools and draw directly on charts, also trade from chart, one of its strongest feature, and it is simpler than MT5 or CTrader. It's good for new traders or prop firm users. It works on web, desktop, and mobile. But on the other hand, users report lag, disconnection, platform refresh issues. Also slower execution during volatility and not ideal for scalping. It's confirmed by multiple reviews. So Tradelocker is good for beginners learning trading, prop firm traders, and people who like TradingView style UI. And it's not ideal for serious full-time traders, scalpers that need fast execution, and people wanting highly regulated brokers. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.